What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to Hyperhubb. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you don't know what this trick is, the Hyperhubb is a combination of 3 different spins. The first spin is a normal 360 on your stomach. From there, you're then going to flip halfway and do a second 360 on your back. And from there, you're going to flip back over onto the board and do a third and final 360 back on your stomach. 2 really important prerequisites that we really want to make sure that we have down is first, a normal prone 360. Secondly, we really want to make sure that we are having those hubcaps on lock before getting into this trick. Now for the prone 360 and the hubcap, if you guys are freshly learning these tricks and or still working on them, I do advise going back on the channel, touching up on those videos, and then coming back and revisiting this trick at a later time. Now, depending on how fast your flowrider is or how fast or slow your rotation is during the entire portion of this trick, it is so easy to either lean too much to one side or catch water on your edge and just wipe out for this trick. So we really want to make sure that we attack every part of it. Okay, now assuming that you have your hubcaps absolutely on lock, let's take a much closer look to really nail down what's really happening in this trick. Now for this first prone 360, it's super important that we come in with a lot of speed and momentum. That speed is going to really determine how the rest of the trick goes. Because if you're not coming in with enough speed or momentum for this first prone 360, the wave will completely wipe you out before you even get a chance to finish the trick. But lucky for you guys, we're about to take a look at the one tip that really helped me unlock this trick. So the big tip that really helped me nail this trick is actually something that I do right before the second spin, and we're going to notice it when we pause it right here. Now, I want you guys to really take note of how my body's positioned on the board, with my hips facing sideways and both my arms completely straightened out. And at this point, what I want you guys to take note of is I'm getting ready in this split second to swing my entire upper body around to create even more momentum to really be able to swing through and finish up the trick. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave that thumbs up down below. And while we're already here, why don't we click on that bell-shaped icon? That is the notification bell, so you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys on the next one.